My hobbies are playing cricket, reading books, and I'm greatly interested in social responsibility.
What is the
Uh,
meaning of your name?
my name, sir.
Yes, what is the meaning
Oh,
of your name?
sir.
Why you have left it?
No, sir. I didn't leave actually. I have
Oh,
joined. I have been selected as Polar. Oh, yes, sir. Sir, actually, my father had expired when I was a software engineer.
hmm.
So, to support my family financially and emotionally, I have quitted my job and I am with my family, sir. That's the reason I have done this.
What is the job role of manual?
Developer writes a code. Initially, the developer writes a code regarding a specific project or something. We need to test whether the code written by him is exactly correct or not, or any errors are present. If any errors are present, we'll directly report to the developer, and we coordinately work with him and deploy the
Okay,
project, sir.
okay. And you have done something with वाला पॉइंट आप अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में भी इंक्लूड करिए, ठीक है? इसको आप मिस मत करिए.
Yes, sir. I have also submitted this extracurricular activities while document verification, sir.
Yes, yes. So you have to mention it there. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
they will have a cross question to you. Okay. And
Okay,
now
sir.
come to the point. I think you are doing injustice to your degree and experience in IT sector you have gained previously.
Um, Sir, every person has different problems in their life. Everything is an experience, what I believe. Sir, I have done my BTech and I have chosen a different stream because of few factors. And IT stream also I have left because of my family issues. But I think the knowledge and the experience I have gained there and the confidence I have gained there, I think it really helped me in now my family is stable and I'm looking forward to have a better opportunity. And I think it would definitely be a much more challenging job than uh, going to the core side or going to the IT sector.
Okay. So you want more challenges in your life.
Yes, sir.
And why are you not satisfied?
I like the nature of job, and the colleagues there. We coordinately work, and I'm really happy with that.
Then
But
what?
I,
Then
my
why? What attracts you to come in IB? Which things
sir,
of IB attracts
yes,
you?
sir. Sir, only one thing I got attracted to IB is that it's a very challenging job, and I have the skills which I cannot show it because I am very flexible. Sir, few qualities I can manage. I can show sir, I have gained much knowledge,
Hmm.
and IB is the one thing which I want to explore, sir. I need very challenges in life, and I want to explore different regions and serve the country. I need to expand my knowledge and think broadly, and I need to know each and everything, sir. I think IB would be the right platform.
Okay. What are the challenges in Ladakh China border?
Sir, the challenges will be mainly uh,
कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, रोड्स का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, टेरेन का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, वेदर का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बॉर्डर इशू हो सकते हैं. हम्म. तो इनमें
yes, sir.
आपको क्या क्या समझ में आता है बताइए.
Sir, there may be security and border issues, infiltration issues,
हम्म.
because uh, China might sup, China might also supply illegal arms and weapons and training to the few of these insurgency groups in Ladakh also.
I think in
Mil-
Ladakh there are no any insurgent groups,
sorry, sir, militant groups.
no militant groups in Ladakh. They directly involved in Ladakh region.
Um, Sorry, sir, I'm
The
not perfect with it. I'll get to.
Army of China, known as People's Republic of China, directly involved in Galwan region, Ladakh में जो लेक है आपकी पहलगाम सो लेक, ये सब रीजन है, फिंगर 14 है, आपकी चौकी है जो भी। ओके, which cryptocurrency will be allowed in India, then what will be the effect on Indian economy?
Cryptocurrency, sir.
यस, अगर क्रिप्टो करेंसी को इंडिया में लॉन्च कर दिया जाएगा एज ए लीगल टेंडर, तो हमारी इकोनॉमी पर उसका कैसा इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, क्या होगा हमारी इकोनॉमी के साथ?
Yes, sir, I have not enough knowledge about this, but with your permission, I will guess it.
Yes.
The economic boom would definitely increase, I think, sir, because no, sir, I can't take the guess also.
Okay, what do you think about rich and poor gap after launching cryptocurrency?
I think the differences might increase, sir. Yes, sir, the differences might increase. The rich might become the richer and the poor might become poorer, because poor doesn't know how to avail the cryptocurrency and all, but the rich have enough knowledge to access that. So, as cryptocurrency can easily make money, we can easily make money from that. I think rich and become richer and become poorer.
ये जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी है, इसको रखने वाला इसको यूज कैसे करता है, इसको खर्च कैसे करता है, इससे चीजें कैसे खरीदी जाती है?
Cryptocurrency. Sorry, sir, I don't have enough knowledge regarding this. I'll look into it.
And what do you know about dark web?
Dark web, sir.
Yes.
Sir, dark web is something which we don't access any information from that. It's something which we find difficult to access information, sensitive information of anything, sir. That's the dark web.
And what is
we can't access
cyber crime?
Sir, cyber crimes is something which some few illegal groups or few other miscreant groups, they indulge in specific crime activities such as cyber crimes is
medium of crime. क्या होता है इसमें? What is the medium of crime? Then it is called cyber crime.
Yes, sir. It's basically a crime which is which goes on in a cyber way, but due to proper knowledge of few people, these miscreants get involved in this, sir. Means
can you tell me the 5 name of cyber crimes?
5
name of cyber crimes. Like in physical way, मर्डर करना एक क्राइम है, वैसे वहां पर भी कुछ होंगे?
Yes, sir. Sir, looting up of bank account amount by some of the groups of few people, sir. And cyber crimes is something which is posting irrelevant or unethical or illegal information which hurts the sentiments of others in social media or something, and causing disturbance among the people. Sir, cyber crimes and
Say sorry and just risky. Go ahead. Don't think so much. Just say sorry and go ahead.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir, I'm not getting any ideas.
Okay. Recently, we have seen an attack on Indian Army in northeast states. Have you knowledge about it?
At Siliguri corridor, sir.
What happened
China.
here?
Sir, we had an issue with, I think we had an issue with China, sir.
No, you are getting wrong. एक इंसर्जेंट ग्रुप था, उसने असम राइफल्स के
Assam
कर्नल
Rifles,
रैंक
yes,
के
sir.
ऑफिसर्स और कुछ उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स को और कुछ अदर उनके सबऑर्डिनेट्स को मार दिया है। तो वही
Insurgent groups in Assam.
इंसर्जेंट ग्रुप्स ने
The
असम
person
राइफल्स के
belongs.
कुछ ऑफिसर्स को मार दिया है। और ये इंसर्जेंट ग्रुप जो है न्यूट्रल हो चुका था, लेकिन ये फिर से अपना अगली हेड रेज कर रहा है, या फिर ये लोग फिर से खड़े हुए हैं। टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस प्रोग्राम।
Sir, counterintelligence is something which um, which we prevent our intelligence from the external intelligence. And if we have any intelligence regarding specific terror activities, how we respond, how we detect, and how we respond as quick as possible, that's counterintelligence.
Okay, then tell me at least one example of counterintelligence program covered in India.
Um, no, sir, I don't know.
Okay. काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस प्रोग्राम इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो ने चलाया था जब हमारा पोखरण रेंज में न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट हो रहा था। तो CIA की इंटेलिजेंस सर्विसेज जो थी, उनसे बचने के लिए एक काउंटर इंटेलिजेंस प्रोग्राम वहां पर सजाया गया था, डेकोरेट किया गया था, ताकि हम लोग उनके सर्विलांस में आने से बचें। ठीक है, ये याद रखिएगा।
Yes, sir.
How intelligence bureau is different from Central Bureau of Investigation and National Investigation Agency?
Sir, IB is an organization which detects the sense, which is only concerned with the internal issues of internal security issues of India. It mainly detects the intelligence or external threats and um, immediately responds to the higher officials. It's directly linked to the Minister of Home Affairs, and um, it's we just give the information to the Home Minister itself. But C, CBI, sir, or NIA?
Yes.
NIA. Sir, NIA is National Investigation Agency. Is started after the Mumbai terrorist attacks due to the sir to strengthen the counter terrorist activities. NIA has launched, sir, to increase intelligence. Means intelligence just detects, NIA takes actions into it, sir.
What about CBI?
CBI, sir.
Yes.
Sir, CBI is directly CBI is an independent body, sir.
I think
CBI is an independent.
I think CBI is extra constitutional body.
Extra constitutional, sir. It's not related to any of the ministries, sir. It's an independent body.
And directly respond to which office?
Directly responds to the Prime Minister's office.
Yes, PMO. And NIA is a statutory body. It has comes into action by an act, so it is a statutory body. NIA and CBI. CBI is extra constitutional body. As you
extra constitution.
Yes. Mention this point. Also mention their ministries and their work.
Yes.
NIA को केवल और केवल टेरर एक्टिविटी के इंटेलिजेंस को कवर करने के लिए बनाया गया है। ठीक है?
ओके सर।
Sorry. Who is best leader according to YSR or Narendra Modi? Whom do you think who is best?
YSR or Narendra Modi, sir?
Yes. Who is best according to you?
Sir, I think Narendra Modi ji would be the perfect leader, sir.
Explain.
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Sir, the way Narendra Modi ji tackles the situation is something which is not dynamic in nature. He just sees from all corners of the situation and acts according to it. But when considered to uh, YSR Jagan Mohan Reddy, uh, he is just he is very young, and I think he don't have enough. I think he don't have enough experience to experience for that, sir. And moreover, the governmental policies which Jagan Mohan Reddy is launching is actually uh, not much benefiting to the society. Actually, the people are becoming lazy because there are many programs where the weavers are getting 18,000 per year, and pension policies it is increased to 2,500, because these policies are making the people lazy. But Narendra Modi ji, sir, he have enacted most of the policies
Okay.
which I think development.
What a common people should do to avoid any cyber fraud?
Sir, initially, the cyber fraud among the common people is due to the leaking of the information, their sensitive information such as Aadhaar card details or bank account details, or the mobile number OTP. So, common people should be aware that the bank the bank officials won't ask regarding their personal or sensitive information. They should know that if anybody asks, then they should believe that some activity is going on, and they should be alert. They should not disclose their information.
Means that they should not share their personal data with
Personal
any fake
database.
calls or
Yes.
any bogus call.
Yes, sir.
How artificial intelligence can help in gathering intelligence?
Um, Sir, artificial intelligence, um, sir, it definitely helps, sir, because artificial intelligence is present the boom of the technology, sir. In few places where we can't allow few humans, or we can't go and work, then artificial intelligence, because of that man-made robots, or with the help of that human intelligence, we can gather information from that man-made
When it comes
robots.
to
And
when it comes to a bulk data, then artificial intelligence use some kind of algorithm as searching some keywords so that they can know the information and know collect the intelligence. In terms of software, you have to say that artificial intelligence is very crucial and will be very helpful to our organization. रोबोटिक्स और ये सब तो फिर हार्डवेयर वाली चीजें हो गई, फिजिकल टर्म्स का हो गया, लेकिन हम लोग अभी भी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से काम चल रहा है हम लोग का, ठीक है।
ओके सर,
बस दो, हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग, बस 2 मिनट में आपको लिंक सेंड किया जाएगा, एक इंटरव्यू चल रहा, खत्म होना, ठीक है। आप तो मतलब ईसीई से हैं, तो आपको आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, क्रिप्टो करेंसी, इन सब पे अच्छा जवाब देना चाहिए था।
ओके सर,
इस पर आप आज अच्छे से तैयारी करिएगा, इसलिए मैंने आज थोड़ा सा इंटरव्यू आपका चेंज किया हुआ है। पहले आज आपको आईटी सेक्टर में मैंने बुलाया है कई जगह, लेकिन वहां पर आपकी नॉलेज खुल करके नहीं आई, जितना आपने वर्क किया है, जितना आपने एक्सपीरियंस गेन किया है, ठीक है।
यस सर।
Why we should select you, as you have left many jobs, also you will not continue in intelligence bureau? We thought so.
Sir, sir, firstly, due to my family reasons, I have left the software job. I'm very much interested in it. And after that, Sir, due to family reasons, I am presently working. But from 2017 itself, I have given my first attempt in IB ACIO. At that time, I have thought of becoming an IB officer. From the 2017 is my first attempt, and I couldn't clear. But from 2000 attempt, I am trying to clear SSC CGL to join IB organization. And my main motto and my main aim is to enter in intelligence bureau organization, sir. And mainly, I prefer SSC, this IB ACIO rather than SSC CGL because this is a executive post which I can explore myself and travel a different. It's not a desk job, sir. So I'm very much interested in it. I waited for 3 or 4 years, and now
Okay, thank
I'm
you.
in this.
Okay, thank you. All the best for your future. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.